Welcome to Lesson 10 week. This week we'll be talking about culture and carrying. This is a quote from Thomas S. Monson. He says, "It has been said that the door of history turns on small hinges, and so do people's lives. We are constantly making small decisions. The outcome determines the success or failure of our lives. That is why it is worthwhile to look ahead, to set a course, and at least be partly ready when the moment of decision comes. True finishers have the capacity to visualize their objective." I feel like you are doing this within your school, and I'm so happy that you have decided to go on and get your BSN. Thank you so much for your patience this week as I've been grading the BSN expectation paper. This paper and the history of nursing paper take a lot longer to grade. What I'm doing is making sure that you are writing the paper in correct APA format. I'm also making sure that you are following the rubric, and you guys did great. Please see the comments within the document to help you with the APA format. If you have any questions on the APA format, please do not hesitate to ask. For this week, you will read the article Nurse-Patient Communication Barriers in Iranian Nursing. Then you will compare and contrast the role of the American nurse to that of the Iranian nurse. This is a one-page paper using first person. You do not have to have a reference page or level headings. I have made a screencast to help you with this assignment, and this is due Friday at 2300. Also continue working on your online interview assignment that is due at the end of the semester. What is required of this paper is you're to have an interview with a nurse regarding an ethical situation that the nurse has encountered. Then you're going to reflect on this interview. It needs to be an online interview, for example, by email. What I want you to know is at the back of the reflection paper, you need to also submit your questions and answers to your interview. I do not need to see the full interview. I just need to see what questions were asked and the answers to those. If you have any questions regarding this assignment, please let me know. Okay, read chapter 10. This week we're going to learn about illness and adjustments to illness. We're also going to learn the sick role and how illness impacts patients and families. We are also going to learn about the impact of caring as a nurse and how we can take care of ourselves while caring for others. As we all know, if we don't take care of ourselves, we can burn out also. You guys are doing great with your discussion board posts and replies. If you have noticed, I put in a question. I would love to hear your replies to this question. This can be counted as one of your replies. I feel like this discussion board is helping us to become closer as a class. I've been loving hearing your responses. Remember, the initial post is due Tuesday by 2300, and the 2 responses are due Friday by 2300. Complete the Chapter 10 quiz. There are 14 questions on this quiz, and this is due Friday by 2300. Here's a little funny for the week. Just remember that I'm here for you. Even if you just need a little pump-up conversation, I would love to help you. I'll be having my office hour on Wednesday at 10 to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Have a great week.